Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Here we are going to make a beautiful design using nylon thread. So if you don't have colorful thread, you can also join two different color of thread together using fire. So we are going to use this lighter and press both thread together, white and red, and look here, two different color of one single thread is ready. Now we are going to tie a knot on this red color of thread, and we're going to repeat the same process over and over again. Make a loop using this white color of thread and remove the red one through it and pull the thread tightly. You will get this beautiful design. You can make beautiful bracelet and many more things using this technique. Now cut the extra part of the thread and fix it using the fire. This is a nylon thread, so it will easily melt the fabric and you will get this design. Finally, we are tying knot on both the end and look, it's ready. You can also make a design on one end, so again put it on this clipper and tie knot at the other end of the bracelet like this. We are using one single color of thread, so tie knot and look, your beautiful bracelet design is ready. You can gift it to your loved ones. We are going to use this red color of nylon thread and stick it on this toothpick. This way it is easy. Now we are going to roll other end of the thread on this toothpick and remove it like this, and you will get this beautiful knot design. Here we are also using different pearls. So we are going to put this white pearl using the stick and repeat the same process. Roll the thread on the top of this toothpick and make a knot and repeat the same process. Put the bead inside it and you will get this beautiful design at the end. Finally, when the length you desired is complete, tie a knot like this. Remove the end like we're doing here and tie a knot at one end in a circular form. You can adjust the size like this, and look, your beautiful bracelet design is ready. If you have only one single thread and you want to make a bracelet for your friend, so it is very easy. Let's learn in this video. So hold this thread from one corner and start tying knot like this. Make a loop and remove the other end of the thread like this. Pull the thread tightly and you'll get this beautiful design. In this video, we're going to use earbud. So paste the one end of the nylon thread on the end of the earbud. Now we're going to tie a knot. So we're going to roll the thread on the top of this earbud like this and remove it like this. In this way, you will get this beautiful knot at the end. And look, it's done. Similar way, you can put different design at the center and repeat the same process over and over again. And look, it's ready. This is a very perfect design and easy way to make a beautiful bracelet for your friends. Finally, you can tie a knot at the end, adjust the size according to the knot, and look, it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share with your friends.